Wait, before you waste money on the wrong n8n plans, watch this. I'm going to break down their pricing so you'll know exactly what's worth it for your needs, whether you're a freelancer, a startup, or running a big company. n8n is insanely powerful for automation, but their pricing page can feel overwhelming, especially if you don't know what half the feature actually mean. In this video, I'll break it all down. So first, Community Edition. This is the free plan where you have to self-host it. It's totally free, it's self-hosted, you get unlimited workflows, unlimited executions, and the full automation engine. The trade-off? No managed hosting, no team-focused features, and you are responsible for setting up and maintaining everything. But it's perfect for devs, hobbyists, or anyone who wants raw power without paying, because it's free after all. The starter plan, $20 a month billed annually. The starter plans give you 2,500 executions per month and 1 shared projects. This is great for someone who's starting out or like freelancer who just want a couple of workflows running reliably without having to manage a server. And then we got the Pro plan, $50 a month billed annually. The Pro plan is designed for small teams. You get 10,000 executions, 3 shared projects, and workflow history so you can see past runs, debug errors, and search through executions. Basically, it's where things start feeling like a team tool, not just as a solo playground. And then moving on, we got the business plan, $667 per month, billed annually. Business plan is for bigger companies, usually 100 plus employees. You get 40,000 execution per month, 6 shared projects, and advanced features like SSO and LDAP, which is single sign-on for secure company-wide login. You got a version control with Git, so your workflows can be tracked, rolled back, and collaborated on like the code. You got multiple environments that you can set up from dev, staging, and productions, so you don't actually break live workflows. And then you have scaling options with more executions and bigger infrastructures if you need it. But business plans needs to be self-hosted. And then we got the startup plan, which is basically a business plan, but it's like 50% off. And this is a killer deal, but you need to qualify as a startup, where you will get the business plan for half the cost, around $333 per month. That means all the business plan level features, but at a startup friendly pricing. And then here comes the big one, the enterprise plan, which is custom pricing. This is the top tier. Enterprise plan unlocks unlimited shared projects, unlimited execution, advanced compliance, extended data retention, and dedicated support. So if your company needs guaranteed uptime, strict compliance, and customization, this is where you land. Pricing is custom, so you will need to talk to sales. Core feature you'll see across plans. First, workflow executions. What does that actually mean? So, like every time a workflow runs from start to finish, no matter if it's a long, big workflow with like intricate steps and nodes, or a simple workflow for like, let's say, a workflow where you listen for a new email and sends it to Slack, every time that runs from start to finish, boom, that's 1 execution. And paid plans give you higher monthly limits. And then you have shared projects. What shared project actually means, it's all about collaborations. Instead of keeping workflow siloed on its own, shared project lets your team build, edit, and manage workflow together in the same space. Think of it like Google Docs, but for automations. And then you got workflow history. This lets you look back at past runs, and you can see which one succeeded, which one failed, and debug the issues step by step. This is super useful for actually everyone. So which plan fits for you? First, we got the Community Edition. This is free, but also self-hosted. This is best for hobbyists, developers, or anyone okay with DIY hosting. The starter plans. I would say this is for freelancer or individuals running smaller projects. The Pro plan. Small teams who need collaboration and history. Business plan for companies scaling automation across teams. The startup plans. For high-growth startup that wants business feature but can't drop the $667 per month and qualify for the starter plan. Enterprise. Big organization with strict compliance and mission-critical workloads. So that's n8n pricing explained. Not just the numbers, but what the features actually means and what you can get out of it. Now, hopefully you can match the right plans to fit your actual needs. If this helped, hit that like button, drop a comment, which plan you're leaning towards, and subscribe for more automation deep dives. And if you need help with automation using n8n, Axe Automation can help you with that. Visit axeautomation.co for more info. The link's in the description. See you in the next one.